Hello loves, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me in today, and thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video we are going to be making my cream cheese banana bread that is so delicious. I will list all the ingredients in the right quantity in the description box below for easy access as always. Banana breads are very good when you have overripe banana. So if you have your overripe banana, don't throw them away. Try this recipe and you will love it. I have here 3 banana that I will be peeling and putting in my mixing bowl. I will use my masher. You can use anything just to break or mash your banana into very chunky or smooth consistency. To that I'll add some brown sugar and a little bit of white sugar. You can use solely brown or solely white, it doesn't matter. I'll add 1 whole egg. I'll add some butter and also add some vanilla extract. I will also add some heavy cream. In place of the heavy cream, you can use regular evaporated milk or any type of milk that you like. I'm going to use my hand mixer to mix this quickly and bring everything together in a smooth consistency. So moving on, I'll put my wet ingredients to one side. In a bowl, I have 1 cup of flour. To that I'll add some baking soda, some salt, and I'll mix everything together well, and I'll add it to my wet ingredients. I will be folding this in and mix everything well, and I will transfer it into my loaf pan. I have already greased my loaf pan with some butter and also line it up with some parchment paper for easy lifting of my banana bread when it is done. After transferring, I'm just going to tap the loaf pan to let any excess air out, and also I will transfer my cheese cream, about ½ cup, into another mixing bowl. To that I will add 1 egg yolk, and also I'll add some vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of flour, and also 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'll mix everything very well with my hand mixer to bring it together. After getting a smooth consistency, I will transfer the cheese cream mixture onto the banana bread batter. I will use my ladle to scoop and also spread it in the middle of the batter. And we will be baking this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 55 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. And our cheese cream banana bread is ready. This banana bread is so good, it tastes very nice, and your guests or your family will love it. Just a quick tip: when you are baking any kind of thing in the oven, the color you get when you bring the food immediately from the oven is going to be different from the color you get when the food is fully cooled down. So when the food is just out of the oven, you get a pale kind of color, but when it is all cooled down, you get a rich golden brown kind of color. It doesn't mean you didn't do a good job. It just means that the food is still hot and it is still cooking until it is fully cooled down. And this banana bread, cheese cream banana bread, it's so good. It is fluffy, it is light, and it's just melt in your mouth. And just a quick reminder, don't throw your overripe bananas away. There is so much you can do. You can make breakfast cookies with them. I have that recipe already on the channel as well. Delicious and healthy. And if you like this simple recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos in the future. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.